NVivo is a qualitative data analysis (QDA) software designed to help researchers organize, analyze, and find insights in qualitative data such as interviews, open-ended survey responses, articles, social media, and web content. Developed by QSR International, NVivo is widely used in academia, business, government, and non-profit organizations to handle large volumes of qualitative data efficiently. Features and capabilities. Data organization. NVivo allows users to import and manage a wide variety of data formats including text, audio, video, and image files. Researchers can organize this data into projects, making it easier to manage and retrieve specific pieces of information. The software supports the creation of nodes, which are essentially categories or themes that the researcher defines to classify the data. This helps in systematically organizing data into meaningful segments. Coding. Coding is a fundamental feature of NVivo. It involves tagging or marking sections of data with codes that represent themes, topics, or ideas. This process helps in identifying patterns and drawing connections between different parts of the data. NVivo offers various coding options, including manual coding, automated coding, and pattern-based coding, which streamline the analysis process. Analysis tools. NVivo provides a range of analytical tools to explore and interpret data. Users can perform queries to search for specific words or phrases, analyze the frequency of terms, and examine the relationships between different nodes. Visualization tools such as word clouds, charts, and diagrams help in presenting data in an understandable and engaging way. The software also supports sentiment analysis, allowing researchers to gauge the emotional tone of the data. Collaboration and integration. NVivo supports collaboration among multiple users, enabling teams to work on the same project simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful for large research teams or projects that require input from various stakeholders. Additionally, NVivo integrates with other software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and bibliographic tools like EndNote and Zotero, facilitating seamless data import and export. Reporting. NVivo offers robust reporting features, enabling researchers to generate comprehensive reports based on their analysis. These reports can include summaries of coding, visualizations, and excerpts from the data, providing a clear and concise overview of the research findings. This capability is particularly valuable when presenting results to stakeholders or preparing publications. Applications. NVivo is used across various fields and disciplines. In academia, it is commonly used for qualitative research in social sciences, health sciences, education, and humanities. In business, it helps in market research, customer feedback analysis, and organizational studies. Government and non-profit organizations use NVivo to analyze public opinion, policy impact, and program evaluations. Benefits. The primary advantage of NVivo is its ability to handle and analyze large volumes of qualitative data efficiently. It saves researchers significant time and effort by automating many of the tedious aspects of qualitative analysis. NVivo's comprehensive suite of tools enhances the depth and rigor of qualitative research, leading to more robust and insightful findings. By facilitating collaboration and integrating with other software, NVivo also promotes a seamless research workflow. In summary, NVivo is a powerful tool for qualitative data analysis, offering a wide range of features that streamline the organization, coding, analysis, and reporting of qualitative data. Its versatility and robust capabilities make it an essential tool for researchers in various fields.